And take a look at the 2015 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, navigation package, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.